If you're creating Instagram Reels on a regular basis, you can actually quite easy turn those Reels into LinkedIn posts and have the whole process 100% automated, from grabbing your reel to posting on LinkedIn. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And of course, if you want the template so you don't have to build it yourself, make sure that you come to my community. It's called AI Business Builders. The link will be under this video. And I will not only give you all these templates, but you're going to learn a whole lot of stuff like prompt engineering, building GPTs, of course, creating those automations, building Chrome extensions, building tools, apps, and little SaaS and AI agents. So if you want to learn all that, and if you want to start your own AI business, make sure that you click on the link below and come and join my very, very active community. Now, and this is that automation. It's very simple. So it basically grabs the Instagram reel and then transcribes it, makes it into a nice post, and posts it on your LinkedIn profile. And we're going to actually build it from scratch. Let me just put my glasses on and we'll start. Okay, so the first thing is we actually want to, where is my Instagram? Sorry. We want to watch media. That's the module we want, because we want to know every time a reel has been posted. Now, if you haven't connected to your Instagram, you can do it here, and definitely make sure that you have a business account, because if you don't have a business account, you won't be able to make the connection in Make. So I will put the limit to 1 because you don't want to process more than one file at any time, because imagine if you have 3 or 4 or 5 that you're processing at the same time, and then you're dumping 3 or 4 or 5 posts on LinkedIn, and that's definitely not something that you want. So I'm going to keep it at 1, and I'm going to choose manually because I want to run this module to get my data that I'm going to be mapping in the next module. And I'm just going to pick the very first one, and I'll say run this module only. And then I want to make sure that I've got everything. Yes, I do. So once I've seen my data, once the data has come through the automation, the next module we want is we actually want to download this media. And all we need here is the media ID. And that's it. Now that we have our media, we want to transcribe our file, and we're going to do this with Whisper. And I will find Whisper. We are going to create a transcription. And we've got our Instagram already set up. And I will just say transcribe this audio. And I will just grab the media URL. Okay. Now, let's run everything again because we actually want to get this data. And I'll choose where to start again. I will pick any of the reels I have. And I'm just going to save it. Hang on, what is going on here? Yeah, we're kind of good to go. So I'm going to run it once. All right. And I've got my transcription here, as you can see. So the next thing we want to do is we want to grab this transcription and make it into a proper post for LinkedIn. So our next module will be another OpenAI module, but this time we're going to create a completion. And we're going to select our model. I usually go with GPT-4 at the moment because I don't want to use the super expensive 01 model. And we're going to select our tokens. The first role I'm going to give is for the system, and I'll say you're an experienced social, social media copywriter. That's probably enough. And then I've actually copied and pasted my prompt. So I'm just going to paste it in here. And the second one is I want to grab the text. So I'm mapping the text from my previous module that came from the transcription. And I'll say I want to rewrite this transcript as a LinkedIn post. Please include an engaging post that flows naturally and 3 relative hashtags. Now you can add more hashtags, or if you don't want to have any hashtags, you can delete that. And then the rules will be writing first person perspective, don't use any greetings, the language should be super simple, use common words that don't sound like AI has written the post. And I'm going to click OK. And then I'm just going to add my LinkedIn module. Because I don't think we have to run it again. And what we need is we need to create a text post. And then all I need to map out is the result from here. At the moment, there's nothing because we haven't actually ran the previous module, but this should be enough. Okay, I'm going to save this and let's run this scenario. So I'm going to, again, choose where to start. Come on. I'm going to choose one of the reels and I'm going to let it run. And then we're going to go and have a look in LinkedIn and see what the result is. Now, of course, you can massage your prompt in ChatGPT and give it like your own style, talk about, how you structure sentences or whatever. Or if you're in level 6 in my community, you can actually create a massive report that is your style and then create an assistant in Assistant's API. And then instead of having this ChatGPT completion module, you can actually call your assistant here that is already fine-tuned with your very, very specific linguistic style and patterns. So it will actually write the post much better than if you have just the completion. Okay, so it looks like it's posted. And let's go and have a look. All right, so I'm just going to refresh my my LinkedIn, and here we go. We just posted this. One of the perks of being part of the AI Business Builders is getting to save posts from any school community. It's a feature everyone's been asking for, but until now, school. I will probably have to clean it up a little bit because I'm talking about school, but it's spelled differently than how ChatGPT is spelling it. So I'll probably just edit it very quickly and change it. So make sure that if you have words that you know that ChatGPT will spell differently, you have to go and fix them. And or when the new module where we have human review everything before posting, then we're going to put that module before posting on LinkedIn. However, none of us, or probably 99.9% of us, don't have access to this make module yet. But as you can see, so I've got 2 paragraphs and I've got my 3 hashtags. So super, super simple. And once again, if you want the exact blueprint and all my blueprints and all the other trainings, make sure you come and join my school community.